John Mahama tani kwasiampanyini democracy under attack. NDC ni bi ani twasere. NDC fo nkwasiafo yeze NPP fo ele petition so koya na omasoma Ashàwo ni na ya agentu ase oni na emergency petition no. Nkwasiafo obi ono no si John Mahama promote Ashàwo fo. Ono na mama no beji petition ko fo magimi.
On the 6th of August 2026 no demonstration echoes e Ghana NPP fo no. Democracy under attack demo course at the forecourt of the Jubilee House. Emma no far banter between Afenyamark and Ene. Nane ajanto ye presidential staffer. Na eno ana Twene Jonas. Oh, he knows na ever require Mahama ye ni say. Sebi nane ajanto no maybe na waka say Ashàwo for so na omu Ashàwo for nyina ye Ghana for and they need our attention no. Oh no na Mahama esman say onkoje petition dia ni Mahama antrai. Mahama antrai kra, wa antrai kra. Twene abekasa na wa fire His Excellency, I fire no ajanto. Aha you Penyah block me. The best was at our room. Ube me subscribe button so. Now over 10 notification icon on for latest update. No message wa say ya no wa video ni so. Ama unu anya bia hwe. Now don't forget say obe kire wa adwen e wo comment section ho. Na me kan phone nala e na dia ma. Abogafo yi amo US any UK ai mo fan send camera fie. 2026 and one e cost o sanara ho wa wu. First send this every fee. For promo code Penyah TV. Don't forget, Penyah TV no. First send this car. No matter $20 amazing. Almost transactions are very, very fast. O send your coin next to Ghana. Not Imunano, not a force no. I'm at $20. Let's go to the story. So it was on 6 August 2026, Thursday, an MP for a board dumping, Echo Shiemu, a greater Accra at the forecourt of the Jubilee House, a demonstration. Almost a said, Democrats under Mahama is under attack. Kabima mean Kabino, Yato Tunasi. Mahama government is igniting culture of silence. It's a media and so. Obun person obia bekasa. Obun person obia bekasa say obia obena adwen say obekasa on can be farmer buy ne dey ba bechew. Aye. When they know say you can criticize the government vehemently, they will come for you. They will come and arrest you. The MP for an air can say this government ni feel say obia will criticize the government ni bia there. The person is a threat to them. They will go after that person to silence the person. It in omu demonstration ewa Accra Mountains. Emma that day no demonstration na edom wo no ne dom wo cause now I think some man focus NPP agu na ye de no nya dom we. Dom wo no pa and it should tell Mahama something say there be say when you are in office not the opposition party organize demonstration o manya edom say it should tell you something say there be and some na omu can you should listen to them. And yes obeye Bibian Koso, Mochremoho, well, na ade afawasi. So, with all due respect and humbleness, Mahama should take something out of this. Yes, I'll bet not to okay, just opposition. And rounds, say ade afanase. You know, it told me at this demonstration on the 6th of August 2026 at the forecourt of the Jubilee House. Emma, that day, no, you know the funny thing, almost man I had tour. Oh, yeah, third tier presidential staffer, just a tier 3. All ranking. Presidential staffers, Jubilee House or no more. If you put them in hierarchical rank, I better say, Nani Ajantua no, or below, or rank 3. Because the rank 1, the chief of staff, Ora Kalusis Mahama Mo, Standogwe Mo, Jurada Bramo, Omu, and a warhorn as tier 1. Tier 2, the advisors, you know, staff for advisor on the economy. Omu, tier 2. Tier 3, no, those who work at the front desk. Nani ajanto amola no it omuno na ajanto about all standard tier 3 presidential staffer it ono ana Mahama esfa ko na Mahama why busy na your program be 1 year obom ko wu ya no plain class no na 1 year aba ye omo remembrance day tina Mahama ay busy pa e ho so na chief of staff e wo ho no bi it omu nyina nya ho omu omu na asem pabo e de sha na ya ajanto but nani ajanto e kwaro musmine no MPP omu so onko omu finfin kura no NPP president etiakunya so ekufa etiakunya so no nane ajanto wanfo buo bakokora ma no odidi wa keka do patire no omu tese wo mu NPP ni bia ekufa do cha ne ajanto but odi na 10 pence ekufa do den wa keka na adwa tire no said ope bia fine 80 to send her say all ne committee that party na oni buo ema obia no de error when try to me enye fine it one of nyama nka say there be for Mahama descend and I can't tell you disrespect to them. Emma na ajanto edwa line ema gotena asempa TV so ko kan adwen se ne afnyoma kan kura no the afnyoma kan chese on we nobody no catch no betima wa afenyo marking me wa na ya jonto wontimi wa afenyo marking ewo 48 years na ya o 59 years o chede 11 years pe wontimi ngone mananya pa just unua kuma na no but wontimi ngono what I say with respect wontimi ngono but unua kuma na no wontimi ngono mananya possible and there yenka na granjira mo wontimi ngono there's a cover whole of issue our media no so the back kan ya jonto there was a time obekaza say Ashàwo for Ghana henyina no omuso ka Ghana ho bi they are part of the Ghana population and they need equal attention. I say yeah neglected the prostitute, sorry to say this, those do hook up no the sex workers in Ghana say yeah I say abemo na ye buru ye yi wo ma frimu I say ye yi wo mumu na me ajanto be show concern and also anatwene say na insase say opo obi asoma na enipa ono o make demand from the economy for the prostitute and the hooker people no or na won smart dey na ase ne say edetwene abekasa na we ene nsemu a wakan
John Mahama tani kwasi ampanyini democracy under attack chale obazo anu ahye no kure no hey chale NDC ni bia ni twa asere NDC fuo nkwasi afo yeze NPP fuo ele petition so ko ya na o maso ma Ashàwo ni na ya agentu ase oni na emergency petition no nkwasi afo obi onu no si John Mahama promote Ashàwo fuo ono na mama no beji petition ko fo majimi ona mega just every 1 minute bia aban ba si na mu heavy na mu na hwe no engrofo na ni abre na o mu de petition abre mu a se munya ni pa chichie because John Mahama wo jimi uya kwasia techi my holy family doctors nurse for unti omuka 2 years omu ye demonstration asuma police ni akwachi omu so adi asie ni akogwa omu ni achi omu because we jimmy is part of democracy unti any panika no ontimi nkoyeda enkofa sikan enkowo obana ni tisa box ayon na onye adwuma da wasisa esika to fere yama no Lamborghini ama na odi ye ka show no dabi emran ma ne ho kwan democracy kro na to ema eto abama ro tani aboa John Mahama no ema doctor ni nurse ni no kwan say onti si abontin no nkan de ha no ne how enter the public. That is the rule of law. Intinsuma police ma omunko bromo ebasa democracy and the attack. 10 year boy John Mahama NDC for mwe obi ahye no kwe no. Cocoa farmers what that almost over to cocoa mu dia ko 70 million oba e wantimi antum 30 years no so awasa ate so what dia beto 20 million tuama omu a wasa akwa diska no wantua omu ntimi mfa kotokuro ni baawu ano emeye dan emebro bana onya adwuma da wasesa esika de ye boxing no anansa me jamfia oni ni security akowie $200 million adwane a ye ntimi nche ba akokura because John Mahama ni omunyina ne plan hihye ho kowie esika no nti etimi nche omu ana sami jamfia wawia $1.7 billion Ghana president Yoko for mwa omugu omuntimi nche no because omni John Mahama ne wi esika no so what you say omu ko ontimi mfa baawu amfirafuo mu ho emebo sami jamfitrim se kwasia mu baaye musimu ntua eka but manye scary ade a ye bekumo daabi eye democracy omu wo choice so omu be convert omu mfuo ndi akoye ade fofura omu betimi adidi enti John Mahama de ne kwasia kwachi omu so de omu kom 20 years a democracy under attack because everybody has right to onwa na sase onu na de ne ho ede ne pe akoto na sase o de beyen mponchi a emfa ban bi aho waja se o de beyen enkoko a enye president bi asem eno o de do afuo no o do koko na ne na adwen asesa na o se koko mi no bi o me de do abroba emfa John Mahama ho ti o de ne kwase akwachi fama na democracy under attack obi ti TikTok no akwa dada no so obebie 24-hour economy no about 2 years untimi si factory ba akokura no oti wo no odi watema eyede an wo tra wo koye den wo ko dada no enya ni vote na ama ni buafu no tell wo kwachi ne kotu prison democracy and attack 10 year bua John Mahama NDC for mwe na me catch us heavy na mu na nyame shabroni enu ntina Akufo-Addo Sam George se ne ho se akura ne ho tantan se akura ketwa na adwen ti sa akra 1 year wantimi ankoche no de entia because democracy no Sam George was right to express his view. Anti Akufo-Addo teso Sam George be dina tem John Mahama wa na osoma no wankoche obi a to ase Sami Jamfi betna o dina tem okuja to de pictures a o kodi aye fensan odi ai se wa broni e o play mu okuja to de begu social media me nyina ehoro Akufo-Addo wankoche okuja to antum because democracy ni man kwan man fa ne penkoche no wade ase odwan enu ntina wantimi ankoche okuja to no wade ase saa pepepe ena na do ma hene ye judge High Court judge otimi fire Akufo-Addo back to back wantimi ankoyi na di wantimi anko suspend no because democracy man kwan ba John Mahama aboade Chief Justice Dokoto se hwan oni na tem kan hwe o no ordinary pe akoyi na di because we jimi on follow democracy. Why just say obi a wonya judge we debu aten we den dan ho judge nko na judge obi e wo wi ase politician wo de ani say obeye ka akwan obesi factory obebiebie nyuma jimi democracy and attack. No intimu ya muwa ntafo muwa John Mahama wo kankai wo motrom hye jimi wanya ni pachi na memo obi abeku anajo obi antimi kasa Onse asiedun katia ekanyanza semchiremo monam na asiedun katia nyamisha so ni nyansa chen John Mahama aboano John Mahama petetem na me catch us every 1 minute be ya Bible sinam why asiedun katia uni nyansa chen John Mahama o say senke sa na tie di anka JJ Rollins nkono so anko amata mesama o tam so a wo beko Kufuor time so you come Akufo-Addo by. Yes, I democracy ni TNT onye obi na nti ni ba bi say no say or the nepe be call another third term. Abla democracy ni stating clearly. Constitution ni say uko term wia na fie no obi from da. Enye obi na say or the court see enko sisa bibi because we jimi. Mo party chairman ene TV so ka. O say isa ankwasi asem we ntina ayiku asi wogini ene sa no president ni si wajimi nti on de obekọ another term na soldier for okotu no what is simple because wajimi you don't follow the law emra ni nie the same way na mra o say o de ka akobo obi abekọ prison o de ka akobo obi o si uchenyi law enti say be ya onko prison o ye kwasia tiere mi chono enti munko tie ayi asiedun katia okanyansa che wono wanyini che John Mahama onimyansa che John Mahama o si yanye ni sa oba bia anka Akufo-Addo nso beka so okọ another term on fa maba omia enti uko usevu term wia uko fie no obi fofraba that is the rule of law that me beka kire am say Obama wa hayi oya akura wonyini ti say by Trump or small boy waiting yes and running and so you be for front na da bi onu akoye campaign mo be for why because we are serving the term that is the rule of law nyan ntafo mwa instead of say concentration be yes yenye bibi aye promise edinya vote say be ya ye be say to Obama NDC ni da bi akwa Jimmy ochina Mahama be say aba na Jimmy nko a bukoti asiedun katia osi onu die omu Jimmy amfa no on here because onu democracy no respect democracy osi ohun bi krada JJ Rollins enkofo krasi esojani onko makufu ma onu abe making the class of democracy have to respect the law of Ghana because no obi asuro no Ghana ntinya John Mahama obi asuro no and no e by force say on dey wa Jimmy nti onko ma obi ma so ahun enti munko tie nyansa free the founder no omuti party no na John Mahama setem na oko school JJ ne ai asie nkati amuti party na John Mahama setem na ne papa kura me minister no abe den wabe ono akura ba be den awdwini say obeba be politician da achi enti that man is one of the founders of NDC no kenyansa kire o because obe ya na obi ekoku Mahama no kwa because mu ya memo obi eku no obi antimi nkasa What you say? And the democracy now we and who say chrono? Only a mechano. Sana muye na asiedu katia katia mo sana Guinea president no edi Jimmy kwaya dan every time ni bika ho ade chi na soja fo aba betu no because we Jimmy amra no wo say obi obeye bia constitution no e can clearly say yema soja fo ntuni president no e wo mo ni nyina wo say obi sesi John Mahama ne kwasia sisa NDC fo mu akogu koto adane o nyina agegisi na omo ko pass nkwase Jimmy Lobi say John Mahama nsan ko bi wo abe wan say ade be chi na John Mahama obi akuna na say yetuna ban no obi entrin kasa o Ghana ho na soja fo na rule because ye Jimmy democracy kama wo man mu nko selfish reason abra mo ban fa so ma mo so on ya meche no the same I tiase dun katia ma hu say onim nyansa chen o nyina NDC fo nyina se dun katia nim nyansa chen o nyina. The goal no and say ye ba be sisi factory mo buy apatakura mo mobi and na more than 24-hour nchie echina ya watch TikTok ni ade echi amachi TikTok ni ade echi na Mahama sentence no say democracy no president nchi obi o tom president no obi ayedan edi uboni a ukosiu no court na court ayedan I invite ni pakro unsoma yokofo nkwasiafo mamotrom kankan emom nkochi obi wani dem emfane nkotu prison wan ya yenye ne sa autocratic nyan ukosi unipa no court na court a serve impane letter na court invite nipa no ama court na be ma police for akwachi nipa no na fe no all the evidence a onipa ne de adi ubone na present wo court nanim na ye what you say ni afa lawyer even say nipa na on na court ni kaprempa aban asede ni say so fa lawyer manipa kro ni ekodi na sem enti se camera ala asa John Mahama machine na odam wan ya no dabi John Mahama sentence obi a onye judge omu aten oye politician atemuani ne bu aten ono nkwani ni potimi bu aten e o country a president bu aten ti se Ghana no eye aku na nipa nde ba ya nto ne so aba anti John Mahama behavior ni nyina akwa ese ku ni ne bae. Meanwhile the same John Mahama Jimmy fo na han Kevin Taylor no ti wo no odikufo atem didi mpanifo atem odi soja fo bo ne ho ban Kevin Taylor boy na no no ne nam Ghana me boys bi so mbetimi akọ ne sekan ku na mame nam so munya no ne nam John Mahama police ne di nanim police ya mo de Kevin Taylor nam no boys ne se o mo ye police for why ele control Ghana police so on ya meche no enti ko ko police for na iron no my iron o ma chichiri police for na aboduam na nkoma work Kevin sika ma me e wo Ghana wona me so munya no so because osuro mi nipa ne nkama sem ontime nkama sem timi hu se me mo obi akuno so I so osuro mi ba John Mahama de ojimi a me mo obi akuku no because we jimi obese ekuro no o de wo ye no aye against democracy no enti na se edun katia ka no se ebema kuasi enchichi nkuofuo enye wadwuma ma police nkwachi obi president nchi obi owiase da obi di bone na woni no anya adwene ansoma yokofuo mmoa no ma police ba court nkwachi nipa no even though say wo na wasoa NDC fo mmoa kogu court wo soma mo se o nkwachi nipa eba sa obi a me demonstration say John Mahama chichi nkuofuo ebe ye court na achi nipa no court sentence obi a no obekokwa demonstration da. But John Mahama kwachi obi a be because enye wadwuma you don't arrest nobody. What chimie so dwan no we ka kwan a adani mfuturo no o stop dum so na woji hunsika woji anu akodi no o de stop o de kototo transformer ni light pole and make sure say baby a light na so that is the government job. Ye for obi nko prison you sentence obi eye court. That me catch you UK for crab can say Mahama ni to me or the Chief Justice said the NDC for more the Jimmy sa nya Ghana ni eni papa kra nko obi aku Mahama ndada na obi eku because constitution ni say what if judiciary ho no obe influence ayem yentu no yenye kuntu no what the constitution mo ntini po be eku atu John Mahama ni ntimi nche no because ko mra no follow won ni atia no because enye wadwuma say wo si jeje di boni a wo de no court na ya court ankasa ayeren a suspend judge no Mahama utumi suspend judge What you say? A judiciary, a separate from government. Any legislative executive, any legislature. And the only person obey judge yadi ana obi yadi or court no. Yeah, didn't asem I'm pretty guilty. Now based on the law, boni and nipanidi no constitution is yam fan court prison say ana ye na dim free ho based on the constitution. John Mahama say yes sir obi be kuma Mahama free. Ghana ye ni papa pandian kwa uda da mun koti asedu kati ansema waka no. So what you say? Ose mu be jimi ana atwe akwa akoto 80s mu ho. Tamana obi asore na okoyeku atuma mpanyine no because no mpese ye beto so aba obi betu because constitution na shem say obi obe say bia yenye because law that was every 4 years be say to aba nti John Mahama ne kwase akonsa NDC form one egu court won say omo nane no say ye to aba 5 years obi be yeku atu no every 1 minute be aban wase na mo anya Ghana nko America nyina asa na tie so anti again your peaceful nation enya tani kwase ampanyin selfish reason oba stop galamsey what you want to me atum all the sama boy forest nama galamsey for NDC for no moye and so untim make say NPP for na SS sama boy sas you because land minister no forestry or NDC ni John Mahama na kwato enti yachi untum me atum nke say sama boy sas ye clean and so eno afi na ehunu kese Ibrahim Mahama na ye galamsey ni nyina ade achi a yawia va kodiama Ibrahim Mahama Ghana Aluminium Limited ade achi yawia Saman Boy yawia Sankofa yawia Black Voter nipa ba kwa den wa Jimmy John Mahama meanwhile Akufo Addo mu nyina benya the same position o man wi ahwe ama mu nua o mu nyina wonua Kufuor ni nua ni Ado Kufuor galamsey site be no wi ama no dabi unko no wa Jimmy na me catch us every 1 minute bi aban masina on uri my companies aluminium vaco the bia mu fremis what dey my Ibrahim Mahama o anya fine mu from skani ami hu ye skani prade e wo mom na abo ahiafo nya ahiafo company wo ho atuatu ankura school fees ana atuatu teacher for ka na ye ko wi na afi nya skani teacher for nya skani tuanes for on be demonstration so ani asese o makogu prison look at this nkwasiade sa na ebu o man I catch yourself in a Michelle Bruni glass in Kwa. So, anti-democracy and attack, no. Demonstration no more, no. I am one with Jimmy Nama way in Abba, Okochobi, the Abra wouldn't to me and the Chobi. To me, no. The action of your Samijan fear where we are $1.7 million. Money na we are in cash obi small boy away here in Yakufu at the time of fruit trotro. Or no area $1.7 billion. IMF crash on Montiasi, Mubida, Obi a to go to Ghana, or mine gold unquan, Obi koto gold. Na when Yamfaswa or Sati maybe Boka, Ebe Ghana money reserve $1.7 billion. Or Montibu, we are said that. I'm a catch yourself in Michelle Bruni. And I know last year we are $214 million. This year $1.7 billion. And now only John Mahama ne we are in control. Ka John Mahama in dada. But only John Mahama ne we are plan master game, mastermind. No me we are sika free bank of Ghana. Enti into no muntimi nyina di. Ne bodyguard sika wa we are ni nyina mo kana. Ni bodyguard we are sika Mahama nsuro no ntimo nsuro bia. On ne Mahama ne we are sika no. Opa ko wieska bra Mahama ni mo he tu TikTok ni kro nya obi akro kwachi ne tum wan ya now no de wakotena office bi mu ko wieska billions of sika betimi ama Ghana ese Dubai sika betimi ase Ghana o man ni nyina na what was this hwe
obeto achira wa adwen dia mame e comment section Penyah Media.